Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, we're sitting at a very crucial time. We're doing some big numbers, which a lot of you guys are going to be very happy to see. I mean, Bitcoin's about to hit 80,000. It's going to be setting its all-time high very soon. When you talk about Dogecoin, it's about to be on 24 cents. And if you go into the meme coins category, you guys know after Doge, PEPE is the next big thing. But this time around, you guys know that this PEPE is only listed on Ethereum chain. And this being one of the largest memes around the world, I mean, you know, has over 500,000 followers, there is one token that's about to do some crazy numbers. And this is the PEPE meme. Now, just so you guys know, the original PEPE is nothing relating to this. The same thing happened with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. When Shiba Inu was created, the sole purpose was to pretty much be a competitor to Dogecoin. The same idea with this one, but this one is actually on the Solana chain. That's how it is going to be different. PEPE is the original PEPE, or the PEPE meme is the original PEPE, and the other one is just, you know, a little bit of a replica. Honestly, if you just look at the idea and what they're looking for, you guys know that this is going to follow a very similar narrative to what happened with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Giving you perspective, right now they are on pre-sale stage. They have raised about $1 million, and if they do decide to compete with PEPE, they would have to catch up quite a significant amount. And by that significant amount, I mean they would have to be at least 50% of the way. And you guys can do your maths. Even if it decides to make it a fifth of the way, that's 1000x from where we're sitting right now. That should give you perspective, and you know it is very possible because something similar was created by Shiba Inu. One other thing which is interesting is they do have utility. Right now they have 31 million total players. Tap your way to rewards, complete fun tasks and social challenges to earn exclusive airdrops and valuable tokens, and this will be coming to Google Play and Apple Store very soon. Enter the PEPEverse hub where endless airdrop awaits. Discover a new project and claim rewards as they launch. And ready for a showdown? You can also fight against other players to earn a little bit of token. Now, if you guys do decide to purchase it, you can actually go ahead and stake it away as well, which is actually the craziest part in my opinion. They've only raised about $1 million, so definitely a very strong opportunity for you to gather even bigger amounts of money. And you need to also understand that they do have a full potential. What I mean by full potential is they have utility. Now, a lot of meme coins actually lack this, and that's where the problem starts. Apps and products and new things releasing is going to be the best way for these tokens to do well. Also, if you look at their, if you do decide to look at their token address and the overview, it's doing pretty well. All of the targets have been hit. It's only been 12 days. And at the same time, it does have a lot more things happening. Max total supply has been set to pretty much, you guys know what happened with the previous one. And you guys know that fully diluted valuation is going to be this much. Initial circulation is going to be about 100 million. There are a lot of big fans of PEPE meme, and this is going to be pretty much capitalizing on all of that. There's over 40,000 players in this community, and if you guys want to talk about the tokenomics, 37% is to the community, 14% for airdrops, 3% for funds, 8% for contributors, 12% for private sale, 20% for auction, liquidity is 4%, and advisory is about 2%. The PEPE news are going to be dropping, and there is definitely a lot to do. If you do want to purchase it, it's actually very simple. You just need to click on buy right here, and then you guys will be taken to this one. You guys just need to connect your wallet. Then you can select what Ethereum or what token you guys would like to convert, and if you just decide to put in the price, you guys will understand that the price will be given to you in terms of how much PEPE meme coin you will be receiving for this token, and whatever you will be receiving is worth a lot more, and then you guys will be able to go ahead and stake it away. And you can see that there is a lot of people which are buying right now, and there are some which have put in large sum of money. That's the right word to use. And if you want to join their Telegram, they do have a pretty decent following already, and the original PEPE meme is obviously going to help it push even higher. And one of the biggest holders, or you can say biggest followers of the Twitter is probably the best one is Jeff Bezos. That's a lot of credibility. If you guys do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Honestly, big way to go. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.